So guys, we are this channel. Welcome to this channel. Welcome to the YouTube channel. If you are new, kindly click on the subscription button down below. And like this video, guys, and share to your friends. I want to dance Sope Purrr. I'll see you guys in my next challenge. First step in this tutorial is I'm a little okay. Let's go. Sope Purrr. Are you seeing, guys? Just hit your leg to and fro, to and fro, to and fro. So it's 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. That's the first step, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Sope Purrr, Purrr, go, Purrr, Purrr. Sope Purrr, 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 Purrr. So once if you are able to get this 1, 2, 3, kick, then you go down like this. While your legs is in the kick to and fro. So it's kick to and fro, then you go down like this. So let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7. Sope Purrr, Purrr, Purrr. Sope Purrr, Purrr, Purrr. Sope Purrr. Let's listen, guys. But this time I'm doing it twice. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I sing it. Everyone start. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that last step, guys, next we need to do 1, 2. So you open, close, step forward, step backward. So it's open, close, open, close. So it's stuff like this. Let's go. So it's from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Someone there. Sope Purrr, Purrr. I think guys. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. I think guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. Sope Purrr, 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 Purrr. Sope Purrr, 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 Purrr. Sope, 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 Sope. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That's it, guys. That is the full tutorial. I don't want to speed up, guys, for you people to see. So let's go individual steps. Now, after this one, 1, 2. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's an easy step for you guys. Just one leg forward, one leg forward, one leg forward, one leg forward. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sope Purrr, 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 Purrr. Sope Purrr, Purrr. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for that step, guys, you do 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm a little Sope Purrr, 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 Purrr. 1, 2, 3. Sope, 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 Sope. So if I do that 2, let's do this. You carry your leg forward, you drop, you come to the front, you bend your body, bend your body, bend your leg. You go like this, go like this. That's it, guys. In case you are not subscribed to this channel, subscribe down below, like this video, share to your friends. Let's do it one more time. Let's go. That's one more time. It's 15 minutes. Let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm a little bit. I'm a little me. Let's go. Sope Purrr, 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 Purrr. Sope Purrr, 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 Purrr. Sope, 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 Sope. So that's the tutorial, guys. In case you want to subscribe down below for me, like this video, comment, Share to everybody who you see wants to dance Sope Purrr. You can comment Sope Purrr in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like these 2 videos over here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.